Alright guys, today on Tux Tech TV I'm going to talk a little bit about myself, unfortunately. And I'm also going to talk about the upgrade that I did over the time that I haven't been uploading videos. I actually ran several tests on the 1504 installation that I did, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about that next for you guys on Tux Tech TV. Alright, ladies and gents, thank you guys for sticking around, and right now I'm just going to do a quick review on this operating system here, this beautiful version of GNOME, UBUNTU GNOME, or UBUNTU GNOME, depending on which side of the pond you're on, what type of grass you eat, what type of milk you drink. Shut up. Next is details. Let me show you. It's 1504. Done. Diggity, diggity. AMD 6100. 760 GPU. Shut up. It's not the greatest in the world, but it does the job. Displays right here. The reason why I'm going to show you the application that's in my panel later is because I've been having some issues with spanning images across both of my screens, so I had to install that separately. But right here, in retrospect, this is the native setup that you have here, which hoping that this video gets viewed by somebody that is on the development team for GNOME. Wishful thinking. Anyway, if anybody gets to view this video on the GNOME team or the GNOME team, again, please put a button or something within this setting, right? Make it right next to this that says custom imaging or something, custom spanning, whatever, or options. Click on the options button and it gives me the ability to span images across multiple monitors rather than having to install a separate application. Or going into GNOME Tweak. Yeah. Windows. Yeah. Is it Windows? Is it desktop? Desktop. Here we go. Yeah. Go to desktop when you open your tweak settings instead of having it there. Or, inspiration. Have all of these tweak settings in here. Thumbs up, like it. Anyway, I know you guys work hard. I'm just busting your chops. Ain't no big deal. I love the operating system. I love the slickness of it. It's sweet. Look here, Windows key, right? And then I open up. There's my applications. Oh my God, that's such a sexy animation. Why is that so sexy to me? I don't know. That's just sexy to me right there. That's sexy. Yeah. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit of a goofball. I've been experiencing a lot of drama in my life right now. I get really goofy when I get sad. But yeah, believe it or not, a lot of comedians are very depressed. I'm not saying I'm a comedian, but you get the picture. Anyway, Windows right here. Turn both of these on. Because if you look in my little window here where you see my ugly mug, look. Off. Off. Buttons are missing. All I got is close. No minimize, no maximize, no... none of that. On. On. Leave that in there, please. Don't change that. That just doesn't make any sense to me why they would remove that from there. But for the sake of customization, I guess And if you guys want to change your icon themes, right here, icons, appearance, icons, click, and you could change that stuff. But I'm gonna leave it where it is because the what's it called? A Adueta. The Adueta icons are very pretty. I like them. You could see that they invested a lot of time in those icons, and it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, this is Plank. I'm not using Docky anymore. Docky blows chunks right now. Every time I open any application that actually needs support from graphics acceleration, like a browser, like for instance if I open Chrome and Firefox at the same time and I'm doing two separate things in either one, lo and behold, Docky disappears. I'm like with my icon, my cursor at the bottom of the screen. Where the hell is my dock? Where's my dock? My dock crashed and there was no warning, so I switched to Plank. Doesn't crash. Don't need a warning. So get Plank, guys. Upgrade to 1504. Get Plank. That's your second thing that you got to do when you get Plank. Alright, Synaptics Package Manager is a must-have, people. A must-have. Must have. This gives you quick access to stuff that you don't want to search the net for. Oh, and one of my subscribers asked me, "Oh, how do you get the CUDA settings working on your graphics card?" Let me show you. CUDA. Need I say more? Anyway, click the first three. You could highlight it and you read what's here. This is what you need to get your CUDA working. Okay? All this stuff here for CUDA is what you want. So these three main ones, install those first. And if you need to have anything else, I have this toolkit and the dev stuff installed because I want to make some minor tweaks to it. I suggest you don't do that if you have no technical skill to back it up. But anyway, the Python stuff is install it. I would install the Python stuff right here. So Python py CUDA along with the first three, and you should be good to go. Your CUDA will be running. It wouldn't be trying to offset some of those processes onto your CPU. So right now my graphics card, everything that's needed to run using CUDA is being utilized right now. That's why I'm running at 45 Celsius. Everything needing graphics acceleration is being utilized right now. So it's being worked. It's working. Even when before installing these little tidbits right here for the graphics card, running all the stuff that I'm running now, it'll still be in the 30s, but the upper 30s, like between 37 and 39 Celsius. It's a huge jump. It's 10 Celsius increase, but it's not to the point where my graphics card is trying to go supernova, and it's still quiet. If you could hear a fan in the background, that is actually my refrigerator. It's over there. It's not right next to me. It's like maybe a good 30 feet, 40 feet away. But if you can hear it, it's a refrigerator. My computer is right there, and you don't hear it. Well, I don't. Even sitting here, I don't hear my computer. Not trying to brag, just saying. Anyway, you could also use this Synaptic Package Manager here, which you could actually install using the Ubuntu Software Center that comes with your GNOME install. So you type in Synaptic. You don't have to type in Packaging Manager. You will see it pop up. Just type in Synaptic. Install this. Install it. It's a must. You have to have it. Anyway, I'll go over this, give it an extended review later on. That I will review. Anywho, that's that with that. Now, on to the application here. Dudes and dudettes. Oh, I always had it running already. Alright. Anyway, let me back some stuff up here. And I guess that's it. Anyway, preferences. When you go into your preferences, you have to change a couple of things in the drop down. It will say no multi-monitor support. You go into the drop down and switch it to extend image. One file for all monitors. That's what you want to have. Okay? The second drop down. Oh my god, why is this happening now? Okay, thank you. It's called Dr. Number. People that call you, you don't want them calling you. Dr. Number that bitch. Anyway, back to this scheduled program. Alright. You want to click right here where it says fill proportionately. Alright. Those two, switch them up in preferences, okay? Preview to preferences. The preview is default. Switch to preferences, change those. If you need to follow something, use my video. Use my video. Please use my video. Okay, then you in the displays again, in preferences with the display parameters, you want to click this right here that says multi-monitor support. It's gonna be off. You want it on. Oh, looky there. No monitor support, monitor support. So you have to have that on. Make sure it's on. Alright. So after you do that, I don't think I changed anything. No, I didn't change anything there. But that's it. That's pretty much it. What the flip is that? Oh. Alright, so you could switch it to this so you could see the full-on image. Alright. Geek it out with you guys a little bit. That is how it looks on both my monitors, if you can see that. Okay. There goes Master Yoda. And there goes that son of a bitch. Emperor. The Emperor. Just shoot him in the mouth. Anyway. You got that. Click on right here where it says, let me let that little bubble pop up. Set wallpaper. That's your button right there just above this one where you could preview. But there's already a preview up top, so why do they have that button there? I don't know. It's not a design flaw. It's just saying. Anyway, click that. Boom. Dual monitor. Minimize that. Keep my ugly mug right there. I'm gonna move it out Darth Vader's crotch for a second. Anyway, there you go. That's one monitor you can see right now, but you know, you get the idea. Open it up. This is one of my favorite images right here. Span that across both screens. It's a race car from Gran Turismo. It's an image that was taken on, believe it or not, on two 1080p monitors. And the Gran Turismo file was spanned across both monitors, and it ended up online, and I was able to covet a copy of that. This is from Gran Turismo Prologue, I want to say. It was the demo that they had at E3. Whatever year that Prologue came out. Yeah, it was a demo that they had. And that image, this image here is, you know, a precursor to that. But anyway, back to my concept Jaguar. Jaguar. That's how you guys say it in Europe, right? Jaguar. Jaguar. Anyway, hi to my family members in London. Hi guys. If you guys are watching my video. Cousins. You guys need to stop packing knives over there. Y'all stabbing each other. Stop it. Just making jokes. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyway, yeah, that's the application. Those are the simple changes that you can make. Just follow my little process, my little steps right there. You should get that going. What else did I want to show you guys? Oh yeah, there's a new version of Blender out. I've been messing around with Blender. I suck at it. It's a very difficult program to learn, but you know, it is what it is. Everybody learn at a different pace, right? But regardless of all that, it is what it is. This weather application here I really adore. This actually comes with the GNOME 3.14 and the current. I think I got 3.17 or 3.19. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's cloudy outside right now, and it's 8 o'clock. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna rain tonight. It doesn't look like it, but yeah, I'm in Pompano Beach in Florida. Whoop-de-doo. It's not as great. Trust me, it's not that great. But anyway, this is one of the tweaks I made to have this window drop down. This is using this tweak tool. This comes natively with the 1504 install, so you don't have to go online searching for it. I have videos out there with how to install your Nvidia drivers also, and you can have all this stuff right here to view settings, which are graphical settings and everything like that. I like to change my GL settings when you're gaming. Turn off this VSync. But when you're gaming, you could turn this up to performance, so you could have it just on high performance. My thermals go up when I do that. But then, where is that setting? Power manager, here we are. You go here and switch that to the adaptive, and then you would see that frequency go down. See, just drop down, and when that gets lower, my thermals start going down. It should do that automatically, right? It's Linux. It's working its way up to that point, so you guys just need to be patient and stop whining. It's gonna get there eventually. Give it some time, okay? And I guess that'll be that. I'll have another video coming soon, so you guys could look out for that. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to my videos and to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any ideas for any content, or if you have a question about something and you would like to see me make a video about it. Send me a private message, PM me. I'll be waiting. You know, I'm glad to reply to any issues that you're having with your Linux system. Let me know what you're going through. If you have an idea for a desktop that you want to build, I will help you research the parts. You know, we could have something like that going on one of these videos. So if you're a first-time user and you want to discuss it with me, we could do a video on Hangouts. You know, I want to get some new content out there. I'm home now. I'm trying to nurse this back injury and trying to get it done. So you guys let me know. Thanks for viewing my video. I appreciate your patience. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope I was entertaining enough. I don't know. Probably sucked, but I'll be here. I'm going to have another video coming up soon. Sooner than you think. Sometimes I upload videos 2 at a time. You might get another one behind this one, or you'll get the other one tomorrow, depending on how I'm feeling. I'm in pain right now. Gotta go get some pain meds. I'll holler at you later. Alright? Peace out. Love y'all.